students, welcome back to your English grammar class. In my previous sessions I started with this chapter present continuous tense, and then I helped you all complete exercise A, B and C in one session, and in the other session I completed exercise D, E and F. Today I'll be continuing with exercise G. Exercise G, interrogative sentence, yes no type question. Again yes no type question, so helping verb first followed by subject, ing form of verb and other words. With I, am, we, you and they we use are, and he, she we use is. Change the following affirmative sentences into negative. This sentence we have to first change it into negative and interrogative sentences. Okay, one we have to change this in negative and again the same sentence into interrogative. So the peon is ringing the bell. So first we'll make it negative. So what we will do, we will add not after the helping verb. The peon is not ringing the bell. That made it negative, right? Now we'll make it into yes no type interrogative. So what will be the first helping verb will come first before the subject, then the ing form of verb and the other words. Is the peon ringing the bell? See the second one, they are going to school. First convert it into negative, they are not going to school. Are, after are we need to add or not between are and going. And to make it interrogative, simple interrogative yes no type, helping verb comes first. Are they going to school? Question mark. Students, you can try the remaining ones on your own. Let's see interrogative sentence, WH type questions. WH word first, then helping verb, subject, ing form of verb and other words. So this is the sentence structure. With I again, am, you, are, it, is, she is, you are, they are. Okay, and depending on the sentence we'll be using the WH word. Frame the questions of the following answers. This example, dash, it is raining heavily. So we need to ask such a question that we should get this one as the answer. How is it raining today? It is raining heavily today. So right, and then the second one is yes, it is raining heavily today. So we have to make it into a yes no type question. So when you are making it into a yes no type question, the helping verb comes before the subject followed by the ing form of the verb and other words. Is it raining heavily today? I am cutting a rope. What are you cutting? The I gets changed to you. Yes, I am cutting a rope. So are you cutting a rope? Again the I changes to you. She is talking to her teacher. So what will you which question will you put over here? Whom is she talking to? So she is talking to her teacher. And yes no type, helping verb first and the subject. Yes, she is talking to her teacher. Is she talking to her teacher? Question mark. So I hope it is clear by now. If you all have any queries, you all can contact me. Your task for today is to solve exercise G and exercise H. Thank you.